What if I couldn't? Are you trying to tease me?
A driver is pulled over and immediately questions the reason for the stop, suspecting it was because he flipped off the officer. The officer denies this and asks for license, registration, and insurance. The driver insists on his rights, challenges the officer about giving his badge number, and refuses to answer personal questions. The exchange becomes tense as the officer orders him out of the car, but eventually continues processing his documents. Throughout, the driver accuses the stop of being retaliation for exercising his constitutional rights.
Okay, well,
I think you're pulling me over for flipping you off.
Okay, no sir. Everyone flips me off all day long.
What's your name and badge number?
Okay, license, registration, insurance.
I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to cooperate. Can I have your name and badge number?
No sir, it's not in our policy to give that.
It's not in your policy? How do I know you're a police officer? How can I check into it? My license right here, my registration right here.
All right, provide.
Can I have your badge
as
number?
required by law.
Badge 275, name Dell.
Oh, you can read. Very good. That's impressive.
What if I couldn't? Are you trying to tease me?
License, registration, insurance.
Right here. I only got to present it to you. I don't have to hand it to you. That's the law.
Okay, I have to be able to read it and run it.
You can read it. There's my license. Can you read that? Yeah, you got to back up quick. There's my registration. Hop on out. Do you feel threatened? I'm asking you a question. Are you afraid? Do you feel threatened? Is there a reason you're asking me to get out? You don't need a reason for PA versus Mem.
That's correct.
No
weapons on you?
License registration right here.
All right.
What do you need? My license registration.
Yeah.
Which one you want?
All of it. I need to be able to read
Right
it.
here. Look.
All right, thank you.
License, look at my name. You can read it.
Okay, County Limit. Daytona Heights, what brings you out here?
I'm working. I'm coming right here to Sherwin-Williams, and I don't have to answer your question.
56911
Yes, sir.
Insurance card, got it right? Good. What makes you hate the police?
Hate the police? I see if you're gonna honor your oath. The contract you signed with the American citizens.
You on drugs today?
I told you I don't answer questions.
Answer.
I don't answer questions.
Nothing illegal in the car then. All right, as soon as your license comes back, on our way, alrighty?
Yeah. So you didn't pull me over for flipping you off?
No, not about.
Exactly. I believe you did.
I was already going to overtime. You were flipping me off.
All right.
Sir.
This guy in charge here.
He is. Is it because he's old?
How you doing, sir?
What's going on, boss?
I flipped this guy off to see if he's going to honor his oath in the contract he signed with the citizens of the United States of America, and he pulled me over for it. And then
Out of your way to offend an officer.
offend him? I'm exercising my constitutional rights. Is that offending you? The one you took an oath to honor and uphold?
Appreciate you off?
It's your right.
Would you get upset?
What did you just throw in my car?
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions? He just threw something in my truck, and he don't answer questions. You know what he threw in my truck? I didn't throw it at you. I handed it to you. Don't fucking throw it at me. He threw it in my car. Don't throw it in my truck.
As the stop continues, a second officer arrives, and the driver repeats that he was targeted for using free speech. The supervisor acknowledges that flipping someone off is indeed a constitutional right, even if offensive. The tension peaks when the officer tosses paperwork into the driver's vehicle, further fueling his frustration. The encounter ends unresolved, leaving behind a heated exchange that highlights the ongoing clash between authority and individual rights during routine traffic stops. Here is another case. A traffic stop quickly turns into a heated dispute when an officer accuses the driver of running a red light. The driver firmly denies it, insisting he came to a full stop and demanding a supervisor. Tension rises as both sides argue, with the driver calling the claim a lie and warning of civil rights violations. As emotions flare, bystanders and passengers step in, backing the driver's version of events, making the standoff even more intense.
Yeah.
All right.
What you mean? I was telling the dude to go. He acted like he was scared to go. It wasn't on you. I don't know what she stopped me for. What traffic infraction? I got a traffic infraction. What I did wrong?
I stopped you because you ran that red light. You didn't make a complete stop. That's a lie.
What you talking about? You must be out your mind. I sit there. Oh no. Oh no.
I don't say
Oh
nothing.
no. Oh no.
I don't say nothing, but you are lying.
No. You're not gonna get on this one.
You
Call
are
your
lying.
supervisor. Call your supervisor. Okay, wait for him to come around. Don't do that to me.
Are you serious?
Don't do that to me.
I'm in the vehicle. I make sure.
We say the cop right there. You talking about him? You think I'ma just
and
ain't
go?
you right there? You good? Better go look at it.
You better go look at
Cause
that.
Soft gonna have a lawsuit this
That's
time.
wrong.
I'm not finna go through this one. You're not gonna violate my civil rights.
I ain't got no.
So you saying that I ran that light?
That's a lie.
No. You saying that I did not stop? You were right. I did that. Now you were saying I did a run on. You saying that?
That's what you saying.
Yeah, you better go
That's
look at
what
that
you
camera
said.
first. I'm telling you.
That's a lie. I
was already recording
I
him.
don't say much,
So
but
go
that's
ahead
a
on.
lie. That's a lie.
Go ahead on.
That is a
Go do what you do.
lie. Why were you recording that old man?
I could do what I want to do. I'm not answering them. I'm not answering no cap. I'm not answering no more questions. You gonna write the ticket? Write the ticket. I'm not answering no more questions. I'm quiet. Fifth Amendment. Fifth Amendment from here on.
That's a lie, ma'am.
For what traffic infraction? What are you pulling me over for?
Running that red light. That's a
Okay.
lie.
You
That
good.
is a
You
lie,
good.
ma'am. Are you serious?
You good?
No, you lying right now.
I'm going straight to the police
He
department.
did stop.
I'm going straight to.
This is my
Yeah, I'm going
motherfucking
straight
car.
to them. Yeah.
That's wrong.
Sorry ass motherfucker.
Man, they
Y'all fucking sad.
Sad.
Fucking sad, man.
That's sad. Come on,
That's
you
bullshit. That's bullshit.
That's a lie. Wow. And it be them bitches right there.
But it's cool.
That lady stopped me one time. Told me I had no lights. I had some lights. I didn't have my lights on. That's a lie.
That's a lie. You're lying. Better review that video because I'm going all the way on this one.
Gonna review a video and she went behind.
I don't want to talk to you because you didn't put me on.
That's a lie. Nah, I would. That's a lie.
Hello, how you doing, sir?
How you doing?
You want to speak to the supervisor?
Man, look, she right on the side of me. I blew at the horn for them people to go. They just sitting at the light, they turning. And then when I got to the light, I stopped. She right on the side of me and she gonna say I ran the thing. Are you crazy?
That's a lie.
Are you crazy?
That is a
the
lie.
cop right there and I'm just gonna do a run on
Do
to
a
get a
run
ticket.
on right there in
I
front
didn't
of the
do
lady.
that.
That's a lie.
I didn't do that.
That's
Say
a
again?
lie.
Right there, right on the corner.
Right
Turning
on the
right.
corner.
On 9. She needs to stop, man.
So y'all are headed westbound on Highway 90. Y'all took a right.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes. And he stopped. He stopped.
I'm sitting there talking about the other dude in front of me. I'm like, he's scared because a cop on the side of him to make a legal turn. And then I blew the horn. So, man, go. And then when I got there, I stopped. I'm going to tell him to just go and just run. That's some bullshit, bro.
That's a lie.
They ain't got to do this. Man, they got to
that's a
stop doing
lie,
this like that.
sir.
I take,
That's a lie.
It's difficult for me to hear two people talking at the same
Well, let me
you know
see.
what's going on.
I'm the pastor. That's a lie, sir. I don't know what she's talking about, but that's a lie. This is my vehicle. He's driving my vehicle, and and why would he do it in front of the car? Why would he?
You gotta be a damn dummy to do something like that.
You
She's
have to
lying.
be a dumb motherfucker
She
to do that.
is lying,
She is
bro.
lying.
I don't never even get like this, but she lying
Yeah, I don't even get like that, and she's lying.
for something I didn't do.
Relax for me. I'll come back.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Review that video, sir. Say she got a video. She told me she has a video of me doing the run-on. Go review that video.
That's lying.
Supposed to protect and serve. And she still got my license.
Yo, you got with your license?
That's fucking stupid.
That's stupid.
Go look at my record. Go look at my fucking record and see how long I've been clean. Man, they need to get these fucking fucked up ass cops, bro. They need to get these cops off the street, bro. They need to get them off the street.
That lady lying on her ass.
They need to get all them type people off the street.
I was able to review her video, and unfortunately, I can't see.
Well, why she lie?
Hold on.
So y'all are on the side of her.
Yes.
So what I'm telling you is, I can't see from that video. All I see is y'all coming out. So what I'm gonna do is, because she's telling me one thing, I can't see otherwise on the video. So I'm gonna give you that back. Y'all have a good day.
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you. I appreciate
Need more
it.
cops like you.
That bitch. That white bitch.
In the final moments, the supervisor reviews the officer's video, but admits it doesn't clearly show a violation. With no solid proof, the driver's license is handed back, and he's free to go without a ticket. The driver thanks the supervisor for fairness, though frustration with the initial officer remains. The stop ends with relief on one side and lingering anger on the other, showing how quickly traffic stops can escalate and how evidence often decides the outcome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.